What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a not so new product here. It's the HomePod Mini. And today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and a review of some of the major features and whether I think it's a buy or not. Let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. So let's do a quick unboxing of the HomePod Mini. You know, I really like this color, the design of the packaging. It looks pretty good. Let's open it. Okay. So in the box, you have the HomePod Mini itself. You have the cable with a USB-C connection, and further inside the box you have the warranty, and you have the 20-watt power adapter. Okay, as I look around, it has sort of a spherical design, and let's finish unboxing this. Says it's energy certified. Not sure what that means in regards to this HomePod Mini. So ultimately I'm going to be placing these HomePods in my kitchen. So I'll just select that room. Okay, let's So the design of the HomePod Mini is pretty nice. It's about 3 inches tall and weighs 0.76 pounds. It comes in 2 colors, black and white, and it also has mesh fabric all the way around. However, the black plastic top does attract fingerprints pretty easily, so you may want to get the white version if fingerprints bother you. It still has a permanently attached braided power cable, but it does terminate in a USB-C port that allows you to use a standard 20-watt power adapter or an 18-watt power adapter. And because of how it's designed, it doesn't look weird in the bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen. Another big feature of the HomePod Mini is that the more you're in the Apple ecosystem, the greater the benefit you will get from it. Siri can do timers, and when your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi system, you can send or receive texts. You can also ask Siri for songs or playlists. You can check your calendar or you can check the weather. Additionally, you can control your smart home accessories with just your voice. Now, let's talk about sound. You can fill the entire room with 360-degree audio that sounds great from any angle. The bass sounds rich, but it does only have 1 speaker and 2 radiators that does make the bass sound better. It uses computational audio that helps create the full, detailed tones of a much larger speaker. If you have 2 HomePod Mini speakers in the same room, you can create left and right channels and form a stereo pair. If you're enjoying music or a podcast and have to head out, you can continue to listen on your phone without missing a beat by simply bringing your iPhone close to HomePod Mini. Other interesting features include the fact that Siri can recognize the voices of up to 6 different family members on HomePod Mini and create a personalized experience for each person. Another feature is the intercom feature. With more than 1 HomePod in the house, you can easily communicate with your family members by voice using intercom. You can ask Siri to send a message to either the whole house or to a specific individual. And I think the best feature that this HomePod Mini does have is its privacy feature. The HomePod Mini only listens for Hey Siri. Nothing you say is sent out of your home until you activate Siri with a touch or HomePod Mini hears the words Siri. When you ask Siri something, your request is associated with a random identifier and not your Apple ID. HomePod Mini works with your iPhone for requests like hearing your messages or notes, so they are completed on device without revealing that information to Apple. Price-wise, the MSRP is normally $100, but it can be found on sale for as low as $80, depending on the time of year. Now, for my closing thoughts, the HomePod Mini is a much better competitor to the Echo Dot than the original HomePod was. Thanks to the price, it still produces superior audio to the Echo Dot while continuing to being superior when it comes to privacy. Now, if you like this short video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.